If you are selling your fish to the market women, expect these 5 major things. Number one, they will be coming with their scale. Some of them will be coming with their scale, expecting you to allow them use their scale. Please don't use their scale. Number two, they will be coming with different kinds of bath, also expecting you to allow them use their bath to weigh your fish. Please don't allow them use their bath to weigh your fish. Number three, they will be expecting you to add some numbers of kg to the fish they are buying, to each bath of fish they are buying. Please don't give them additional kg per bath. The best advice I will give you is to allow them buy the total kg of fish they want to buy, then add an additional kg after they are done buying. Don't give them additional kg per bath. You will be the one at the losing end. If you sum up all the kgs you'll be giving them on each bath, if they end up buying 20 bath, you will be the one losing. Number four, if there are more than 4 or 5 on your farm, please make sure you have someone that will be assisting you. Be ready for that. If there are more than 4 or 5, you will be confused at some point, so you need someone to assist you during that sales. Then lastly, number 5, this one is very common. They will tell you they are coming to your farm to buy your fish. In the next 1 week, you might not see them. You might not see them. That is very common. You might not see them. So make sure you don't drink your water until you see them on your farm.
On the 20th day of February 2025, we successfully delivered this 10 trays gas-powered oven at Ikorodu here in Lagos State, Nigeria. This is gas-powered and it comes in 10 trays. So we were on this farm as early as 6 a.m. in the morning to deliver this oven. We are here today to deliver this gas powered oven. This one uses gas, not charcoal, and this is 10 trays. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 trays gas powered oven. So in case you are interested in something like this, you can always send us a DM or give us a call. The size is 2 feet by 4 feet with 4 feet height with 10 trays. You can use this oven to smoke your meat. You can use it to smoke your chicken. You can use it to smoke your fish as well. It's not only restricted to fish. For those of us that are into other types of livestock, you can easily use this to smoke your livestock to perfection. And it has 2 doors. This is the first door, and right here is the second door. Then you close it up here. Once you want to use it, you open it back. So in case you are interested in something like this, you can always give us a call or send us a message. We are ready to work with you. Remember to share this video. Thank you.